Before I get started with this video, I'd just like to mention that this whole video has been recorded with the Lavalier microphone featured in the video. Just a heads up, as the audio quality is not quite up to the usual standard. Anyway guys, enjoy. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out another product from Fifine. So we have checked out our fair share of these products in the past, so I'm excited to check out some more, as I've been very impressed in the past. First off, in the box you have the user's manual. This is pretty useful as it gives some pretty handy specifications. I'll come on to this a bit more later. So all that's left in this box is the microphone itself, so let's not waste any time and check it out. So now we've got the microphone hands on, let's take a look at the first few features that we see. So let's take a look at the microphone itself. So the microphone comes with a pre-installed pop or wind filter. I'll get on to that a bit more later in the video. For now, let's take a look at the receiver. So it's full plastic body, but it's not too bad as it does stay in the USB compartment pretty well. It's fairly large and does stick out of your computer quite a lot, so if you press your PC up against a wall, you might not be able to press it all the way back. You can also plug in your headphones and get your live voice playback, which is pretty premium and I didn't expect to see that here. Whilst I'm on the topic, the cable is pretty long. It's about 6.93 feet, which is about 2 meters, which is very impressive, meaning you're going to be able to get pretty far away from your audio system. Taking a closer look at that pop filter again, it's pretty nice to see it on here, because one, you don't have to go out and buy one yourself, but having said that, it's easily replaceable if you do break it, but it definitely keeps that wind out. So the next little feature to look at is the closed clip, which is really important on a Lavalier microphone. It works as expected. It's a very strong metal clip, meaning it won't fall off, so it could be useful if you're walking or even running. Like I said, the cable's 2 meters long, which is very impressive, as being not wireless, it could be a little bit annoying if you don't have that length that you need. Next, I would like to talk about the actual concept of this being a wired lavalier microphone and where this ideal uses for this product. So a lot of lavalier mics are wireless, of course. This is so people can wear it on their shirts and then they can walk around, perhaps if they're presenting a show. This is certainly something different that I've seen, but this could still be used in many ways. For example, podcasts. If you don't want to blow like £40+ on getting a wireless one because you just want to do a podcast right next to your computer, then this would be perfect for you. On screen now are the microphone callouts, and then I will go on to another picture with the specifications more in depth. Make sure to pause the screen now if any of this is interesting or of matter to you, but they to me seem like some pretty good specs. Anyway, that pretty much concludes my review. Thanks to Fifine for making this video possible, and I definitely recommend you go check out this product. It's incredible value. For only around £15, you definitely get a lot for your money. Lavalier mics are definitely something worth checking out, and this whole video was recorded with it, so you guys can get a rough idea on how you think it sounds. The pop filter definitely does its job. You just can't really beat this value. Make sure to stick around for my weekly reviews and live streams, but that's it from me today guys. I'll see you next time.